Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So we have two new words of the day, the first being garrulous and the second ebullient. So garrulous means full of trivial conversations. You can say garrulous is someone who talks too much about unimportant things, or they are habitual of talking a lot about unimportant things. For example, if someone is garrulous, he doesn't just like to talk. He indulges in talking for talking's sake, whether or not there's a real conversation going on. The second word of the day is ebullient. Ebullient means full of life, cheerful, lively, and enthusiastic. For example, the Ebullient song was so uplifting that I danced in my chair. Another example could be their friendly and ebullient nature helps to build and fortify fans, which is why the personality aspect of a professional cheerleader is so vital. Thank you guys for coming back and viewing our video. Make sure you like our video, subscribe to our channel, come back tomorrow for new words. Bye guys!